Hey, how are y'all doing? Okay, so yes, I had sort of a little breakthrough here recently on Guitar Hero 5 and Warriors of Rock and probably Band Hero too. I don't know. I haven't tested that, but most likely. Um, okay, so what it is custom songs or custom charts on what's it called? On Warriors of Rock or um, Guitar Hero 5. So the way you do it is, let's start here. Get your DLC file, right? Put it in Velocity. And then you extract all, make an extracted folder or whatever, and then boom, extract to that folder. So all you need now is this folder and the hex editor and Queen Bee. Okay. So what you want to do now is I'm gonna just explain something real quick first. Okay. So in older games, what it's been like is it's been like this, where there have been a text file, right, or multiple text files, if I remember correctly, one for each language, and they have been called like text, and then they've been called like text F and text E, E or I don't know, or G or something for German, or oh no, D or DE for German, and then I for Italian, F for French. So there have been these different text packages basically for all the languages. Oh, sorry. Oh, man. I've been feeling like shit all day. Okay, so what they did though for the newer games is that they changed the way that works, and instead of having a whole different new file, they basically just have a language file that they put away in the song pack file instead. Okay, so um, the way it works is when you try to open it, right? So when I go in here and I go to song pack, and I try to open it, it will give me an error, and it won't work. It won't open anything, right? But the error there is that all these language files, language QB files that are in here, inside this file, there are 5 of them, 5 different language files. They're all called the same name. They have the same QB key, but they have different extensions, file extensions. So, and Queen Bee is, it's a great tool, but it has a limit there where it can't actually yet. It is written in such a way where it doesn't support that. It doesn't support same name but different file extension. So we need to change that. Well, of course, we need to change Queen Bee. I'll do that one day, but for now, what you can do is drag and drop the songpack.sen into a hex editor. Okay. Then you want to load the file. It'll give you a key where the error is. Error adding blah 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 to headers. An item with the same key has already been added, right? So write that down. Okay. Already done that. So all I have to do is go to search, and then I have it here. And you want to go to hex values, right? And then search direction all, and then hit search all. And here you will have 5 different occurrences of that. And they are all for each language file, or for the name of that, an extension of that file, basically. So what you want to do is you go to the second one, right? You don't need to touch the first one, but the second one. So make sure, look at the file name, basically. All you do on the second one is you increase it by 1. So 93, right? And then you go to the next one down here, and then that will be 94. And then the next one will be 95, and the next one will be 96. And if it was 91 here, then it would be 2, 3, 4, 5 instead. Or if it's 99, you can go, as long as they're all different, right? You can make it 81 and 55 and 40, whatever. But yeah, just try to make it, as close to the original value as possible, so it's easy to change back. So it's just one value to change back later. Yeah, and then when they're all different, you save it, and now go back to Queen Bee, hit load, and boom, it loads up just fine. And here you can see these are all the files. So these are language files. So they're qs.en for English, French, German, Italian, and Spanish. And as you can see here, they have the names that I gave them. And normally they are all the same, and that's why it won't load them. So now if you want to edit something, right, all you have to do basically is find the QB files, and of course we have this one with a script in it, and then we have this one with some stuff in it too. But yeah, and then this one, the biggest one, we have other stuff, arrays, right? Like here, we have a guitar array. Okay, so if we want to, for instance, change, I think this is a guitar array. I am not sure. I am not 100%. One of these at least is a guitar array, and this one's huge, so I thought probably that's the one. It could be this one. This one doesn't have that many things in it, but I thought this one's huge, so it's probably that one, but you never know. Give me any of these. But we'll say this one for now. So if you want to change an array, all you have to do is export it, call it something, whatever. And then you open another file from like a World Tour or any of the other games, right? And basically just copy paste the array and import it back in here. And then you update and save to disk. And yeah, that's about it. So yeah, just to show that it actually saves and such, we can just do like go to an array like that, just hit update, save to disk, and it's all fine. If we load it again, see, it's all fine, right? So yeah, all you do then is close Queen Bee when you edited the file, basically. Then you go here to the second one, right, and you rename it back to 2. So 92, 92, and 92. So when you made a change, just make sure to change them back to what they were originally here. Hit save, and here you got a modified charts. That's it. It's super simple. Yeah, as you can see, it's really simple, honestly. But so yeah, that's how to mod Warriors of Rock and Guitar Hero 5. Those are confirmed. Band Hero is not confirmed yet. I don't have any songs for that or DLC or anything like that, so I can't really test it at the moment. But yeah, I'll do that when I can. So yeah, that's it for today. It's pretty cool though, right? I can't believe it took this many years for someone to figure this out. I feel like this should have been. I mean, this took me about a day to figure out, and well, 2 days maybe, 1 day. I don't know, something like that. I feel like someone should have done it many years ago, but I don't know. So yeah, have fun with it, and I'll be sure to read into the source for Queen Bee and change that so that it actually allows these files. Yeah, I talked to Xylord about it just now, a couple minutes ago here, and we'll see. He knows it better than me. He knows the source better than me, and all the Guitar Hero 3 stuff way better than me. He's a fucking genius on that part. So I'll be see if I can maybe cooperate there a little bit and make sure to get customs working on all the Xbox games. So yeah, so that's gonna be awesome. But yeah, thanks for watching, and have a great time, have a great life. Peace out.